Maybe you're eating your dinner and it's a bad time for me to show you this, but let me show you my turtle's head. What is up, guys? A new day here in beautiful Thailand, and I'm super excited for this video today, guys, because today we are going to be cleaning the front area of my 2,500 baht per month rental home. That's only 55 Great British pounds per month. It's only 75 US dollars per month, and it's only 106 Aussie dollar reduce. Super excited about today's video, guys. We're using this little machine, little pressure washer. It's little, but it's powerful. It will help me clear all of this. This is just a bit messy, and I cannot wait to get into this garden here. We will try and tackle this. Actually, first of all, I'll need to put a hose pipe in there, siphon the water out of this. I could tip it out as well, but I'll do that. Start pressure washing here. Look out for the electrics. I cut these vines back, but look how strong they are still. If I just pulled that, it would probably pull that and break that. So I'll deal with that, and I'll start pressure washing here, blow all of this stuff down here. Before I even do that, I'll start collecting the crap that has been left here. I'll take that away and I'll blow all of this stuff away. I'm going to try and get rid of this stuff as well. Everywhere I stand, it just pops and cracks with the snails, the old snail shells. I'm not going to hit this just now. I don't want these to fall. I don't want to give myself too much work this afternoon. It's Sunday, guys. Yes, it's Sunday DIY day. Let's go. Wow, guys, that is a lot more than I thought was going to come out of there. So much plastic. Oh my goodness. But let's get on. It couldn't be a tatty video without something going wrong. Yeah, it's broken. It's the first time I've used it in about 2 months, and it's just not, the motor's not powering up, so to the electrician it will have to go. I'm not going to lie, I am a bit gutted because it was going to be cleaning this, cleaning all of this, and cleaning that, you know, for putting the seeds down. And tomorrow's video was going to be planting the seeds, and I was going to clean that, and I was going to bring fish into that. So disappointing. So what am I going to show you today, guys? I think I've got an idea. It's something I found in here, and any normal person would not forget about this, but it's me. I've got so much going on that I forgot that I've got something here, and maybe you're eating your dinner and it's a bad time for me to show you this, but let me show you my turtle's head. Oh, it's a turtle's head for sure. Can you? Oh, look. Yeah, you can see that, can't you? There it is. So we'll just grab it. Right, oh, coming at you. It's coming at you. Ooh, okay, so here we are. Turtle's head on the podium. What do we have? It's the bones at the back. Look at this then. I'm very, very surprised that my dogs didn't get this. Right, so look, the bones. I saw that at the back. I was like, what the hell is that? I thought it was a vine or something. And then I saw the bone structure of the head around the eyes. Woo! What the hell? Right, we're ready? Ready to look underneath? Ugh. Right, its mouth is shut. Its wee mouth is closed. Ooh. Okay, madness, eh? wee bones and stuff. I cannot believe my dogs haven't found this. So I'm going to dispose of it over the wall where all the scorpions and that go. So see you later, Mr. Turtle. Tommy the Turtle. Bye-bye. And now we lay little Tommy down to rest. His final resting place. He was a great swimmer, just not fast enough. Godspeed, little Tommy. Oh! I do have an addiction, guys, and it's pulling out weeds. Oh, did you see that wee lizard? Oh, there it is. I see its tail. Ah, it's gone. But yeah, I am totally addicted to just pulling these out as I see them. Oh, possibly a treat. Not anymore. Really sorry if you got all excited looking forward to a pressure washing video there. I was really looking forward to it myself though. Shame, but I'll get that fixed. Crack on with it another day. I think this is maybe the perfect time to tell you a little story about turtles and my swimming pool in 3 or 4 rental houses ago. Yes, I do have a story about turtles. Many years ago, I was actually living in San Patong. Yes, I was living in San Patong and I was looking for another house and I wanted something a bit more special, right? I wanted a house with a swimming pool. Yay. So I typed in Thai language and ended up finding a house with a swimming pool for 5,000 baht per month. I was like, oh, that's a great deal. And I went to see it. It was right beside rice fields and I was like, this is the perfect location. And the problem with that swimming pool is it didn't have a pump and filter system, right? So the owner says, oh, we fill it up, we use it, then we empty it. Right, okay. But in real life, that doesn't happen, you know. Like, I spent ages cleaning it. I made a video. I was thinking about starting YouTube, and I made a video of renovating the abandoned swimming pool project. That's what I called it. Wow, many years ago. But never finished the video. Moved away from that house. But this swimming pool, yeah, I filled it up with water over winter, and then I was emptying it, and it got a bit full of leaves and insects and stuff like that. One day I saw something moving beside the steps in the water. I was like, oh, what's that? And I took a little closer walk up to it and looked at it, and it was a turtle in my swimming pool. I was like, oh, okay. So I got a big net and I netted it out and took it over to the canal and dumped it. I hope I can find the video. I do have it all on video. So I did that. Now, I lived, as I said, close to the rice fields, and the canals filled up the rice fields, so the canals weren't far away as well. There are lots of turtles around here, these areas, in rural areas, and a couple of them would just walk into the garden. Now, Champ, being Champ, a pit bull. Oh, this is horrible. But yeah, one night I was in my bed and I heard this scrambling, you know, like furniture moving slightly and stuff. I was like, oh, what's going on here? And as I got up, well, when I got up, I went into the living room, and then Champ is sitting beside one of the sofa chairs. I was like, oh, what are you doing? His tail's wagging, he's all excited and everything. I was like, what are you doing? And, yes, he was putting his nose under, trying to get underneath the chair and kind of pushing it. And I was like, oh, what's up here? And I lifted up the chair, and sure enough, there was a turtle, and Champ had been gnawing at it. Oh, I got bits of it, and he was getting right through it. So I rescued that turtle. I think it survived. I'm pretty sure. I hope it did survive. So yeah, I got that one out of the house. But another day, I was out of the house and I came back, and yeah, there was basically the middle bit of the turtle was left. Like Champ, he can actually eat the shell as well. He gets through the shell and gets into the meat. Yeah. So there was one that obviously didn't make it. Yeah, okay. That's a story for you guys. I'm really sorry that I never got a cleaning video for you, but that's just life, isn't it? Some things just don't work out as we plan. Just like this life. Aye. All jokings aside, everybody, happy Sunday. I'm going to get this video out for you as quickly as possible. And I'd like to say, as always, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, everybody. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Together here, just peace, just now.